Hello. Got the house to myself, so I figured I'd go ahead and make my first talkie. I'm just including the twisting the tissue part just so I can have extra time, and also, might be a little bit fun. So I was not expecting inducing to be really effective on me, but wow, it really is. I don't have any allergies or anything like that. I do have the sun sneeze thing where I go outside and look up at a bright light, and it'll just make me. It'll make me sneeze a few times. But this is just wow. I've only recently discovered inducing, though I've been a fan of sneezing pretty much my whole life. Sorry if it's quiet parts. I'm trying to get the inducing right. Dang it. Got too wet. It's my tissue. It's not pretty clear. I thought I was getting sick for a bit because I woke up with a bit of a scratchy throat, but I think it might just be a false alarm. Though I think I am inevitably going to get sick with something this fall because I've had a lot of very stressful things going on. I won't really get into them, but oh, extra pointy, extra tickly. I have a feeling builds are going to get longer because I'm going to get less sensitive because I'm inducing more. Or not. Wow. A lot of spray. I was not expecting there to be this much spray. Huh? Dang it, I lost it again. Ugh. So wet. I want to roll up the other end this time, though. Making me kind of sniffly. You know what? I'm going to try the other nostril now. See if that works. I haven't had a lot of success doing the other nostril, just because I was using my dominant hand, but I can feel a little bit of tickle. Dang it. I'm going to try again. Let's try and get one more sneeze. Sorry for the letdown. I think my problem is after I get a few sneezes out, my nose stops being sensitive. So I guess I can get a lot of sneezes out in the first couple minutes, but once it starts gets getting longer, stops. The sneezes stop. I kind of stop, I guess. Maybe it'll get better when I'm sick with like a cold or something, and maybe my nose will just stay sensitive for way longer. But who knows?